Building your personal slang and colloquialism guide for the workplace. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very interesting part of English language learning: slang and colloquialisms in professional settings. More specifically, we'll guide you on how to develop your own reference guide for workplace slang and colloquialisms. Let's get started. In the ever-evolving world of business, language changes just as fast. Having a personal slang and colloquialism reference guide allows you to stay updated, understand the latest jargon used in meetings, emails, and casual conversations. Build rapport. Connecting with colleagues on their terms helps in building stronger relationships. Boost confidence. Knowing you understand and can use the slang correctly can give a boost to your self-esteem. Before you start your guide, it's crucial to know which slang words and colloquialisms are worth noting. Here are some tips. Listen actively. During meetings or casual chats, take mental notes of words you don't understand. Ask questions. It's okay to ask someone what a term means if you don't know. Most people appreciate the curiosity. Research. Sometimes, terms have different meanings in different industries. Make sure you understand the context. Creating an organized guide is essential for easy access and understanding. Here's a simple structure you can follow. 1. Alphabetical list. Start with a word or phrase, followed by its meaning. 2. Example. Touch base. To quickly meet or talk with someone about a specific topic. 3. Category-wise list. Organize slang terms by categories like meetings, emails, casual conversations, etc. 4. Usage examples. After every term, provide a sentence or two showing its use in a real-life context. 5. Example. I'll touch base with John about the marketing strategy tomorrow. 6. Update regularly. Languages evolve, so ensure you're updating your list periodically with new terms and removing outdated ones. Merely creating a guide isn't enough. Practicing its use is where real learning happens. Role play. Practice with a friend or colleague using the terms in conversations. Write. Draft emails or notes using the slang you've learned. Quiz yourself. Test your understanding and recall of the terms periodically. And there we have it. By developing your own personal slang and colloquialism guide for the workplace, you're not just enhancing your language skills, but also becoming a more adaptable and understanding professional. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and evolving.